Hi there, welcome to the very first video on my channel, and I'm very happy to have you join me on this exciting pixel art adventure. Now before we dive into the world of pixel art, I got you a little gift for you. It's a free ebook for you guys.
It's a gift.
It's all about pixel art. You can download your copy in the description below. Go ahead, it's my way to say thank you for being here as we kick off this creative journey together. As you see, you can download it for free, and if you want to tip me, thanks, I will appreciate that, of course.
Money.
But if you are broke like me, that's fine. One day you will learn how to draw a good Lamborghini.
Money. No money.
So you got your hand on that book. Now let's talk about the basics in this video. I want to share the tools you need to start creating pixel art. And don't worry, if you are just starting out, this is your beginner guide to pixel art, and now we will talk about the tools and what you can do with them. And I need you to remember that we will use them forever.
Forever?
I use Photoshop and Sprite, but I do use Photoshop more because I do graphic design too. And yeah, I'm so addicted to Photoshop.
I think I'm addicted to it.
You're addicted to spunk?
That's why I'm using Photoshop, even as Sprite is better in pixel art. So yeah, this is the tools we will use. You will find them on any software, even the oldest software you can find. There is no excuses to start pixel art, even if you have a really bad PC.
Too old for this shit.
You can even use your phone. So yeah, let's start.
Let's go!
Photoshop and Sprite are two popular image editor programs. Well, they have both the same goal of allowing user to create and manipulate digital images, but the tools we need, you can find them in any type of software. A lot of specific tools in each program. Sprite have more specific tools for pixel art, but Photoshop you can do almost anything. You can do digital art, you can draw, you can do a lot of stuff, you can paint, but in Sprite it's all about pixel art. So yeah, the tools we need is pencil tool, eraser tool, layers, eyedropper tool, selection tool. Of course there is more than that, but this is the most basic tools you need. So yeah, for the pencil tool, you use it for draw pixels, like it's really sample thing. You can draw stuff with a really small cube or dots, name it how you want. And of course you know what is pixel. It's the smallest part in the image, the smallest part. So yeah, we use pencil tool to draw. And for the eraser in Photoshop, you have to change the brush to pencil, so you can erase with the pixel, not the brush. So in pixel art we don't have to draw or to erase with soft edges. It's always hard edge. Yeah, and we have layers. Layers is the most basic thing. Layers is what makes the parts like up and down, like something up and something down. It's not something complex. I think it's easy. And we have eyedropper tool, so you can take the colors from the color wheel, from images, from anything. That's his job. And we have a selection tool. Selection tool is just select a part if you want to move it or even remove it or like make it bigger, smaller. That's it. And of course we have more tools. We have like color mode. We have a lot of stuff, but we will talk about that in the next videos, because yeah, we will take it step by step. So yeah, this is the tools you need, and of course any software in the universe have these tools. Okay, they are so basic. Even I think paint in the Windows have these tools. I don't think he has the layers, but yeah, of course he will not use it. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you, and like and subscribe, don't forget that.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.